In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. A backlog is your organized, prioritized list of work, ideas, features, bugs, and tasks, so your team always knows what's next. We'll use ClickUp's built-in templates to set this up quickly, then I'll show you how to make it your own. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in so you're in your workspace. Head to the list where you want your backlog to live. This could be your product list, a project list, or any place you manage upcoming work. Once you've opened that list, look for the list settings. You'll typically find this near the top of the list view as a gear icon or menu for that specific list. Next, open the three-dot menu for the list. These three dots are usually in the top right corner of the list header and reveal additional options. From that menu, choose Templates. This opens ClickUp's template area scoped to your list, which is perfect for dropping in a ready-made structure without having to build it from scratch. Inside the template window, use the search bar and type backlog. Hit enter and you'll see backlog templates appear. Click the backlog template that best matches what you want. You can usually preview what's included, like sample tasks, statuses, and fields, so you know what you're getting before you apply it. When you're ready, click Use Template. Confirm that you're applying it to the current list, then proceed. ClickUp will import the structure and any sample items into your list. Give it a moment to load if you have a larger workspace or if the template is more detailed. Once the template has been added, feel free to customize everything and explore this template. Rename the list or the sample tasks to match your project. Adjust statuses to reflect how your team works. Maybe add stages like to do, in progress, in review, and done. Or streamline them if you prefer simplicity. Edit custom fields such as priority, story points, or effort so they align with your planning style. Update assignees and due dates, and remove any placeholder tasks you don't need. Open a few tasks and add clear descriptions, acceptance criteria, and attachments so your backlog items are actionable. Consider setting up views that help you manage work, like a list view for grooming, a board view for sprint planning, and filters to focus on the highest priority items. If you don't see the exact template you want, try refining the search term or choose the closest one and tailor it. And that's it, your ClickUp backlog is ready to guide your team's work.